everyone, I'm Arjuman from PureSilver.io. Today I will be presenting Kalsi Chambu from Bangalore. So it can be made from 50 to 250 grams and it varies from 3 to 8 inches. This particular one is 63 grams and it's around 4 inches from top to bottom. And it's made using 999 fine silver and hallmarked for 925. Now the same plane can also be embossed. I'll show you more designs. The next one is 125 grams embossed. This is in Gajalakshmi theme, where there is Lakshmi and 2 elephants by the side. This is 6 inches in height and it's handcrafted. All these leaves as borders. Everything that you see here embossed, it's all handmade, and the shape itself is spun in a machine. It's called a spinning machine. So you can buy these items on PureSilver.io. So it's hallmarked for 925. This is 150 grams Kalsi Chambu. It's a Bangalore specialty, made in pure silver, hallmarked for 925. The different borders, different variations that can be worked out, but the same design cannot be perfectly duplicated on another piece because all this is individually handcrafted. This is 7 inches from top to bottom, and the same size in plain would look something like this. Now the 250 grams. The biggest in Kalsi Chambu. This is 8.25 inches in height. Again embossed with Lakshmi and 2 elephants besides. And a stunning border, which are the branches. In local language it's called the Bel Nakas design. And there are different variations and patterns based on the sizes and themes. This is the Gajalakshmi series. 250 grams, 8.25 inches. Thank you. You can WhatsApp us or check out PureSilver.io for more designs in different sizes and weights depending on your budget and requirements.